Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix personal hotspot not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this problem, so guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix this problem. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply drag down your control center and turn aeroplane mode, and after that turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then we have to just simply open settings, and from here guys you have to just simply open journal, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of your iPhone. If you don't have updated version, then simply update your iPhone, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then I will suggest you to do restart your iPhone. Sometime a simple restart can resolve many issues. So guys, open setting again, scroll to below, then tap on general, scroll to below, then tap on shutdown, and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then we have to just simply open settings again. From here guys, simply tap on journal, and from here guys simply scroll to below, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap here reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.